Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's your girl Divine and I'm back with another video. In this video, if you can't tell by the title, I'm going to be doing my back to school supply haul. I've got like a whole box here of things to show you. But before we get into this video, a lot of you guys have been wondering where have I been, what's going on, and I'll probably get into that in another video. But in this video, I just want to show you guys everything I've got for back to school, because I've been doing the video for the last 2 years and I was like, this year I have to continue. So yeah, let's get into it. Unlike last year, and the last 2 years, this year majority of the stuff I got was bought online, and that's because it was just long going to the shops and stuff like that. So I was like, yeah, let's buy on Amazon. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this black binder. Like, I bought it because, guys, if you don't know, I'm going into year 10, and year 10 is like a big year. Let me just say, like, start of GCSEs in my school anyway. So I was just like, okay, let me get these. I got this in a pack of 20. I don't need all of that, but I have siblings, I have other people in this house. So I was like, yeah, this, I really love the colour. Like, I love how the design is like not fully black. It's got some grey marbly effect. So I got that in a pack of 20. It's quite huge and it's got like index pages and stuff like that. So I really like it. Like, I used to buy binders like this, but I never knew how to use them. So finally, I've learned. The next thing, this is like one of my favourite things that I got this year, and that is this Stabilo highlighter set. Like, every year, you guys should know that I never get like proper like highlighters. I normally get, well, they're all highlighters in the end, but I normally get them from like Wilko or Poundland and just like the 4-pack. But I was like, yeah, this year let's do something different, and I got the 15-pack from Stabilo Boss. I got it online. It's really cute. I love the fact that it has got the pastel range, the neon range, and like normal highlighters. So this was cute. I'm really liking that. Then the next thing I want to show you guys, that I've got a lot of things in here. They're not going to be in like order, but it's just going to be different things. I got this. This is just a pack of mini, like, what do you call it? Mini Postit Notes from Milko. Because every year I buy a big pack and I never really use it. I normally just use like small ones. So I bought this. This is really cute. And like, it's got 5 different colours. And I think I got it for like £1 or £1.25, not sure. Okay, the next thing I got was this box of black Bic pens. If you guys know, I don't really write in black, but it's just the fact that it came at a good price, and I was like, yeah, 50, it should last me the whole year, even longer. So it's like, yeah, that's cute. Look at that. Okay, next thing I got was this box of crystal, the big crystal line. Yeah, I'm telling you, this is my favorite. These are my favorite pens from Bic, and I love the thickness. I'm telling you, like, it's thicker than a normal pen. And what happened last year was I bought only 1 pack with these inside, and I finished some of them, lost some of them. So I was like, no, I can't do this. So this year I got this pack, and it's got like, focus, it's got 5 of each color inside. I wanted the one with orange and yellow as well, but yeah, I didn't have it on Amazon. So yeah, I got this instead. This is really cute, and I use it for revision, and I love the fact that I can match it with my like highlighters. Okay, next thing I got was 2 packs of these blue pens. Like, I'm literally the only one in my house that uses blue pens to write, so this should last me the whole year, hopefully, maybe longer. But I know one thing about me is like, I always lose pens. But yeah, these, I'm telling you, Bic is the best to me. Like, I really enjoy it, and I love the feel. I love writing in Bic. Okay, the next thing I got was this. I'm gonna share these with my brothers because I think I still have mine from last year. So yeah, these, like, I don't know, every year I just have to get one of these, like with the red and the green as well. It's just useful to get them every year. So I'm really excited with this. And then the next thing I got was some glue sticks, Pritt sticks. I'm telling you, yeah, every year I get glue. Pritt stick is the only one that really works for me, because I get all the different type of brands. 2 years ago or last year, I think I got blue stick. It wasn't good. I get the Poundland version, not good. Pritt stick is the only thing that lasts long. So I normally buy it like 2 or 3 times during the year, like glue. So hopefully the amount will reduce since I've gotten Pritt sticks. Okay, what else? This is my this is my favorite thing that I bought for this whole back to school season. So I've already taken it out of the packet. That shows how much I loved it. But this is my calculator, my new pink calculator. Like, look at that. So I used to have a black one that was solar powered, and literally on my last maths day of year 9 it stopped working. I was like, yeah, that's a sign from God telling me that I need a new calculator. And guys, look, it's pink. It's literally pink. It's so cute, I'm telling you. When I bought it, I was like, yeah, this is amazing. Okay, I also got this, like on Amazon. These two came together. Can't remember how much it was, but they came like as a deal. If I got the glue, it came with whiteboard pens as well. So yeah, I got this pack of 8 from from BACK as well. Normally I get the bigger ones from BACK, which only has these 4 colors, but I was like, okay, since it comes with the glue stick, I might get the other colors. And I'm excited. In my school we have to bring whiteboard pens because we have whiteboards on our planners, so we use them almost every single day. So yeah, that's what else. Okay, now we're moving on to different stuff. I've got this. I got this from Asda. Pack of 50 punch pockets. Pack of 50 punch pockets. And I got them so that I can put inside my folder over here. As well as that, I got some dividers to go with it as well, because like depending on subjects and stuff, like I can divide different things inside. This is really cute, and it has 10 inside, so it's not that bad as well. The next thing I got also from Amazon was this pack. I can't remember how much came in here. Like, I think I have 6 left or 8 left, and I've used around 3 because it came at the beginning of the summer and I need to organize my room. Yeah, this is really good. I'm telling you, it's slightly bigger than A4, and I think it just helps so that I have enough space inside. I really love them. Comes in different colors, and then yeah, I really like. Let me show you guys one of them. It's quite different to normal ones, like in the fact that, let me show you. So this is the purple one. Normally the normal ones will have it in the middle and it has like the close thing on the edge. So that's what I really like about them, and I love the colors. Like, it's really cute. Okay, next thing I got is this what do you call it, math set. You know, every year you gotta get them. Well, not every year, let me not drag it. I've had one, my old one I had since year 7, and yeah, you know, it got lost and everything. What I love is, like, normally I get the Cambridge ones from my school, but the Oxford ones come with like, it comes with the stencil and everything. It's amazing. And like, I love, like, who doesn't love like a fresh math set? So yeah, this is it, and it was quite good as well. Like, everything's quite, like, I just love the like feeling of fresh, what do you call it, fresh stationery. Okay, this is what I got from Milkshake. Like, this is a whole bunch of different stuff. I got this from Milkshake, the sharpener and eraser set. I got this for 70p, and I mean, like, almost every single year I get it. Like, I always be like, yeah, I'm going to Milkshake to go and get that. And then I also got foldable ruler. I think this was 70 or 50p. I get the same one every year because it never fails me. It never snaps, like, it always stays the same. I also got this, a pack of 5 fine liners. I feel like even though I'm not doing art this year, I feel like fine liners are always useful somehow. Yep. And then I got these, what do you call it? What's they called? They're called sticky tabs. So yeah, I'm gonna be using them, like, for example, we're going on to like annotations and different stuff. So I want to start putting them in my books as well as in my textbooks, if that makes sense. And then I got this 55p. I can't remember how much this was. This is just a clear pencil case from Wilco, because you know, you always just need a clear pencil case just in case. Okay, I'm literally almost done. Okay. I got this pencil case from, what do you call it, from Primark. Primark's back to school range this year was amazing. Like, everything I looked, I loved. So I got this. This was only £2. And I was so happy when I found out that it could fit my calculator, it could fit my math set. So yeah, that's amazing. And then I got these pack of 24 pencils from Amazon. Like, normally I get the ones from Poundland, but I noticed that they always snap quickly and like, yeah. So these are similar to the Stedler ones that I normally buy every year. But like, they're really cute, and it came in packs of 24. So I bought 2. I love them. And then I also got this scissors from Tesco. I got this for how much? I think it was like 70 or a pound. Yeah, it used to be 70 or 50p, but this year was a pound. So yeah, this is quite cute. I always get like a nice cute color to complement me. I really feel like that is it in my back to school haul. Like, this is all my stationery. Like, a lot of people have said that it's a lot, but I feel like new year, new stationery, that vibe, it just matches me. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll link down the stuff I got below in the description box, and I'll add some Amazon links as well. Don't forget to follow my social media so you can see what's going on like in my life outside of YouTube.